When I was a kid, my friends and I used to play knock and run. We thought it was hilarious, ringing doorbells, banging on people's front doors, and then running off as quick as our tiny legs would carry us, full of adrenaline, excitement, and a feeling of naughtiness. If you've ever heard the nativity story, it begins with a man named Joseph knocking on lots of doors. Mary, his wife, is heavily pregnant and things are beginning to happen. Frustratingly for Mary and Joseph, they keep being turned away. Excuses like, we haven't got enough room, or the time's not quite right for us. You get the drift. Can you imagine Mary? Early labor signs, first-time mum, and people keep turning her and her baby away. For those less familiar with the story, Mary is pregnant with Jesus, the Son of God, sent to save the world, heal the sick, and ultimately create and restore our relationship between people and God. And people said no. They made no space for Mary, Joseph, and ultimately Jesus. Doors kept closing. In many ways, Jesus' pre-birth experience was consistent with the rest of his life. Frequently, Jesus offered himself to people. Some said yes, and it changed them forever. And others, they kept their doors closed. Why? For some, it was timing. Come back later, maybe when I'm at the end of my life. This is a risky move. While Jesus never forces himself on anybody, refusing him means a life without him now, and in death, permanently absent from him. And for some, they keep their door closed because they struggle with the idea of faith. Life is hard, and they want answers, and faith doesn't answer every question. And lastly, for some, they struggle to believe that Jesus could love them. They think they're too much of a mess, or that it's too late in life, or that they're not the sort of person that God would be interested in. At the end of the Bible, Jesus is once again knocking on some doors. Now it's late in the day, the final few pages of the Bible, last-minute moments. Very clearly, Jesus says, "Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person, and they with me." There's a sense of urgency in the words. Here I am. A powerful statement, rich in meaning. I am speaks of being life itself, the source of all that exists, the one you are looking for, etc. Listen carefully. I am knocking on your door. For some of you, you've heard this knock before, sensed it. This is not the first time. Be careful. One day, it will be the last. For those concerned their life is a mess, Jesus doesn't seem to mind. He just wants to come in and eat. Jesus and you can tidy up after. His invitation to come in to eat with you is a picture of community, wholeness, and family. Open the door. Let him in. Jesus' words and door knocking demand a response. What will it be? Thanks for watching this glimpse. We hope you liked it. And if you did like it, please make sure to like it.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It helps make this channel work, helps us make new videos, and it will let you know when new videos are coming out, which will be soon.